My name is Melissa McLaws and I'm a veterinary epidemiologist working with EUFMD. I've worked in all of EUFMD's 3 pillars, and right now I'm a trainer on some online courses and also developing new material. I'm also working to update our guidance for developing a risk-based strategic plan for foot-and-mouth disease control. I really enjoy working with the EUFMD. Even though the focus is just on one disease, there's the opportunity to learn many new things about epidemiology, virology, economics, communication, and training. And there's also the chance to work with really nice people from all over the world.